Wagwan ENT.
Every time I looking at the dance, in a year of Cut sound I play. There I surely no Ruff Cut, you are the best. Oh gosh, so I see the idiot song boy, him just a run up and down. When I rough him I play record and kick him down. Sound boy, Ruff Cut sound, the number one sound, the general sound in a dance. Oh gosh, Ruff Cut sound, the number one sound, the rubber dub sound in a dance. Oh, hear me now, Ruff Cut sound.
Ruff Cut sound is in town, a lot of timpan get fling down to the ground. Yeah, my man, Father Ruffy, big up your casement. Barry, Black River Crew, St. Best Crew, maximize respect is due. So it's there, so it's on. Ruff Cut, glimpse that daily play. How it on? Oh, Ruff Cut still going through. Enough song I got test, Ruff Cut sound fling them down. Ruff Cut still going through. Ruff Cut been used and abused and so wrongly accused, but we're still going through. Although some soundboy backbiting, we always are fighting, we still a go through. There is one thing soundboy should realize: Ruff Cut sound is the sound that will walk with the price. From exclusive new songs and Dubplates, Ruff Cut still going strong. Enough idiot sound will try to come test Ruff Cut sound, you know they will die. From exclusive new songs and Dubplates, Ruff Cut still going strong. Ruff Cut is the number one sound, boom banging all over town. Anything pan test get fling down. Ruff Cut has killed so many tin pan sound. Jaman, we dust them out, we throw them down to the ground. Now when a sound boy try to come test Ruffy will throw them down. Put another dub on the turntable, another tin pan fry. Put another dub on the turntable. Ruff Cut sound is so strong, some boys can't last long. Put another dub on the turntable. Only passing pan fry. Ruff Cut sound will get fit. Another dub on the turntable. No. Ruff Cut sound is so strong, some boys can't last. Oh Lord, I know my enemies. It's them idiot sound boys out the street. I have had my share of idiot sound. Ruff Cut music sounds so sweet, but there's a lot of bad-minded sound boys trying to knock him off of his feet. But no matter how hard the battle be, Ruff Cut sound will get victory, cause Jaja give him victory. Now, when we kick in a sound boy tit, sweet victory. Tell the world say a Ruff Cut do it, Jaja give me victory. Now, idiot sound boys will have to retreat, sweet victory. Now, there is a land so far away where night turns into day, and everywhere that you could go, you would hear Ruff Cut sound a play. Now some sound boy try to contest with. Pretty soon they will know that you're blessed with. Ruff Cut sound will throw them down.
Ruff Cut!
Idiot sound run out the town. Jaja give a victory. Ruff Cut is the number one sound. Tin pan have to get thrown to the ground. I run out of town. Tell me why do the heathen rage and some sound boy imagine such vain things? Ruff Cut to their heart with a poison dart.
A great song called Ruff Cut, you know.
Now why would the sound boy try to come challenge Ruff Cut the champion? It seems that they don't know where to start. Ruff Cut is number one. Sometimes I sit and wonder why some sound boy can't seem to prosper. It seems they have some dark secrets inside that they're trying to hide. Fail to understand their behavior. It seems they don't know the culture. Ruff Cut sound come to choking pants to the ground. Now many songs will try, but it's futile, they die if they try to come challenge this one. They should have known this by now, that Ruff Cut sound is a champion. Ruff Cut. Soundboy, didn't you know? Ruff Cut is the ruling sound.
Ruff Cut, you know.
Soundboy, didn't you know? Ruff Cut sound is the champion. Didn't you know? Ruff Cut sound is the number one. Now it is futile to try to come challenge this your big bad sound. Ruff Cut is the ruling sound. Come to join everything back to the ground. Your friends they should have told you Ruff Cut sound is the champion. You see when Ruff Cut selector hold you, you will find out which sound is number one. You'll have to run away because you can't play the Ruff Cut sound I play. And it is futile to try. Tonight your little tin pan sound will die. And this is Glenn Washington, but I'm Keys. Ruff Cut sound keeps holding on.
Good sound, Ruff Cut sound.
On and on and on and on and on and on. Sound boys can't stand this killing. The massive loving the vibes and they can't let go. No, no. Ruff Cut sound is the sound with the flow. Now no matter what sound boy do, the crowd will always grow. Ruff Cut sound has got me getting tired. Ruff Cut sound I play fills me with so much pride. I hear that sound, just cannot test this one. No, no. They should know by now they cannot play what Ruff Cut plays.
Alright. Ruff Cut sound, the crocodile sound, I'll St. Elizabeth crew, go and big up on yourself at all time, shine it so that no Ruffy and Barry take no prisoners, cast too much to feed. Read them up, no skidding up. Finish it. How you mean, brothers and sisters, good day now. Ruff Cut killing it a sound tonight. But a man like Barry, the man like Ruffy, but people from Sentica, sound boy done dead already. Blow, oh Lord. So make we do the Ruff Cut rock steady. Blow, oh Lord. Sound clash is hard, but Ruff Cut going kill them. Believe you me. Ruff Cut them gonna lead. They flinged up and killed them and set themselves free. Now with obstacles in your way, you may fall before you rise. But when Ruff Cut them turn on and a play, you know so every sound boy dies. And as part of your plan, you feel have ambition, and the sound Ruff Cut as your foundation. Never gonna get rich and switch because that's definitely wrong. Me begging you don't forget your friends and where you come from. If you a thief, Ruff Cut now sleep. And although you rob a cash and you get well last week, one laugh out the street but you're beaten going steep. Ruff Cut is a silent river and them dub backs deep. Throughout history, lots of sound boys kept skinning. But when Ruff Cut them turn on and a play, Ruff Cut kept spinning and winning. Sound boy for die. Ruff Cut that kill sound out the road and everybody know. Whoa, whoa. Tonight sound boy going die. Ruff Cut that fling big dub kill sounds and take the trophy home. Ruff Cut is number one. I don't need another sound to lean on. Just play Ruff Cut all day.
Wagwan ENT.
The crocodile sound juggling through the years.
A great song called Ruff Cut, you know. Alright. See them in a black and white there. I play them things we come around here to play. Alright, Kaufman and Reed. Rasta no got a funeral, move from around there. A bad sound there, Ruff Cut sound, you see what me I say. Now Ruffy and Barry and Ruley out J. Now Juice, make them know enough. For them foul, better it stay upon rules. Adonai man Bushman. And right now the bad sound just let loose. Sound dead. Good God. have no mercy. Ruff Cut, have no mercy. So now go dead tonight, hey. See it, boom. Ruff Cut a big sound killer. Don't you know we ain't no loser? Got to be a winner for Jah. Don't you know? Ruff Cut sound we a winner, a winner, a winner. Big sound killer, killer, killer. Yeah. I gave on my heart and soul, yes. I got it fully under his control. Say the half of the story has never been told. Ruff Cut sound got them under control. I'll never betray my master for silver nor gold, no. Ruff Cut sound's gonna live forever. I don't wanna lose my soul. Don't wanna lose my soul. Ruff Cut a big sound killer.
A world sound, Ruff Cut sound, you know what I mean? Now Ruffy and the man called Barry and the man called Unruly OJ. Now Juice, make them know enough. Everything let loose. I deny your man Bushman represent a bad sound.
This Ruff Cut you reach in a dead house, yes. Boy, sounded, boy, hey.
A great song called Ruff Cut.
He sounded with them flattering lips and false allegation. Someone who got no occupation. Them this Ruff Cut and a destruction. Boy, now their enemies are rejoicing. Fans and friends are wondering what happened to our old pants sound like them. Ruff Cut dub murder them in a dancehall style. Boy, sounded, boy, hey. Hey, sounded with them flattering lips and false allegation. Someone who got no occupation. Them this Ruff Cut and a destruction. Boy, now their enemies are rejoicing. Fans and friends are wondering what happened to our old pants sound like them. Ruff Cut dub murder them in a dancehall style. See the people them getting wild just to see some sound disease, Lord. A Ruff Cut sound them come challenge. Our sound I take revenge. See some sound why lose them speech. In a sound clash, sound have to prove themselves to we. Ruff Cut I say in a sound clash, sound have to prove themselves to we. A Ruff Cut in a joy clash, we got Ruff Cut sound, yes. Ruff Cut, fill my cup and let it overflow. Kill the sound and make them blood start flow. Fill my cup and let it overflow. Let me overflow with joy. Hey, Jaja. Fill my cup and let it overflow. Fill my cup and let it overflow. Hey, kill the sound and make them blood start flow. Let them blood start flow tonight. From Ruff Cut sound was a little sound. All we wanna do is kills. So I asked the Pharaoh to teach us how to play, and he grant me a favor. Kill sound night and day. That is what the Ruff Cut do. Anything test gets to. Hey, Jaja, fill my cup and let it overflow. Fill my cup and let it overflow. Fill Ruff Cut cup and let it overflow. Let me overflow with joy. Fill Ruff Cut sound and let me overflow. Feel the sound and let me overflow. You too ungrateful. Feel the sound and let me overflow. My word, let me. It's almighty. Sit, them ungrateful old pan sounds. Why you can't be content? No matter how Ruff Cut beat you, you just can't satisfied. Every dub that Ruff Cut play, every dub that.
Now this is the Naya Man Bushman. Original Ruff Cut sound, you know what I mean when I laugh with people, you know. Now Ruffy and the man called Barry, the whole of Black River sent best when I like ungrateful, dirty heart people, dirty heart sound. You know what I mean? Some people when they love themselves.
Good God, sound why you too ungrateful. My word, it's almighty. Sit, them ungrateful old pan sounds.
Why you can't be content? No matter how rough cut beat you, you just can't satisfy every dub that Ruff Cut play, every dub that Ruff Cut spin. Another sound one play that in a juggling. I me find out about my thing. So where the hell them a go do when them sound a burn up and can't play? Can't play. Where the hell them a go do when them sound a burn up and can't play? Can't play. Cause Mr. Getting always receiving, keep on wanting more. And never take time to give thanks and praise for the little he achieves. When them hear Ruff Cut sound play, them know that we're bad. Ever good, ever ungrateful. Them sound no got no grace. Where the hell them a go do when them sound a burn up and can't play? Ruff Cut a big time sound. Them a go do when Ruff Cut beat them sound. Yeah. Ruff Cut go kick them with a giddy and boot and a khaki suit. We stand out at the dancehall and represent the youths. We not go sit aside and watch them sound to keep a sound from mute.
Wagwan ENT.
A great song called Ruff Cut.
And a mic in our hand to lead out the youths them out of destruction. I let them sound boy know. Ever test the champion sound? Pop off your one. We got the strength, we got the powers. We kill them sound any minute and hours. Don't you try to test a Ruff Cut sound today. Not tonight. We kill your sound, no matter try. The plate to top them straight to the sky. Don't you try to test a Ruff Cut sound today. Kick them with a giddy and boat and a khaki suit. Stand out now the dancehall and represent the Ruff Cut sound. Alright, you want to tell them this? This. I know me that couldn't do that. We can't see big sound and walk away. I know me that me couldn't do that. We can't hear Ruff Cut sound and walk away. Ruff Cut got the powers like a flag flowing into the castle of the dancehall. No matter what color, race, or class it may be. This Ruff Cut sound, you are go dead and bury like a dog at the dance, you see. Pop off your stripe, let you know say you must come play around with me. I know me that couldn't do that. I can't see Ruff Cut sound and walk away. I know me that couldn't do that. Can't see big sound and walk away. I know me that couldn't do that. I can't see the champion.
Father Ruff. Oh yeah, them never did the worst, see we strive. Them try to set up bad road in our life. Oh yeah, them never did the worst, see we strive. Father Ruff, big bad Ruff Cut. Yeah, rules the nation, the champion sound. Yeah man, we devour any time, you know, so we walk over, step cross, you know, me I say trample, you know, me I say yo. Yeah, we rule the dancehall now. I can show them a sample, example. Watch you know. Ruff Cut, kick it and give them. Yeah man, them have to know this. Hey. Oh ja. Yeah. Oh, you
Good sound, Ruff Cut sound.
Hey, Paris. Father Ruff. Oh yeah, them never did the worst, see we strive. Them try to set up bad road in our life. Oh yeah, them never did the worst, see we strive. Father Ruff, you beat them from left and to right. Oh, but I know what's burning you. Father Ruff, beat you. And I know what's burning you. We just say in the land, come back and beat you in the dance true. You never did the worst, see we strive. You try to set up bad road in our life. Oh yeah, you never did the worst, see we strive. So we beat you from left and to right. You talk about exact government and chief of staff. Look how much get to you down in the ghetto at the dark. So far Junction Panda Street at night.
Well, I'm feeling very good inside. Just to know Rastafari provide. I'm floating with the positive tide. And Ruff Cut go, he long on the ride. Could the Ruff Cut team, yeah, we no jump, no fence. I forget we out it where we make no sense. Me have made up plate and some old line sense. Hold on to me that we no play wrong for ends. Cause kill sound of the other. It is a setting from the father. Wah wah wah. Brought down the fence and the border. Murder the sound boy the man.
You know, Ruff Cut sound like for true. Ruff Cut to tell them, there's no gain in the absence of your culture. Be strong.
Good
Good people remain. Never forget where you're coming from. The system change, the system break the heart of those not knowing where they belong. The whole vibes change. A rough cut sound in a the land with no strange. High, juvenile. With your black in every can't be satisfied. High, therefore to be wise. Them know the big sound. A rough cut I tell them high, juvenile. With your black in every can't be satisfied.
Them dead. I want a best friend from people, don't you? Sure. The sounds of corruption is the sounds of death. The sounds of death, but rough cut sound is the sound of righteousness. Yo, wanna look ya now. See no evil, do no evil, speak no evil. Rough cut, I go left them in a trouble. See no evil, do no evil, speak no evil. Always remember to be humble. See no evil, do no evil, speak no evil. Rough cut, I left them in a trouble. See no evil, do no evil, speak no evil. Son boy, you're dead miserable. Rough cut a Victorian, that mean we can't lose the backing. Matter how sound boy hackle and tackle. Don't have wisdom, I'm not Samari, I'm not Steve, I'm Julio J. Juice. Graphics, Marvin, Fabi. Them dead. I want a best friend from people, don't you? Sure. The sounds of corruption is the sounds of death. The sounds of death, but rough cut sound is the sound of righteousness. Yo, wanna look ya now. See no evil, do no evil, speak no evil. Rough cut, I go left them in a trouble. See no evil, do no evil, speak no evil. Always remember to be humble. See no evil, do no evil, speak no evil. Rough cut, I left them in a trouble. See no evil, do no evil, speak no evil.
A great song called Ruff Cut, you know.
Rougher than them, tougher
Rough
than
cut.
them.
A rough sound, a rough sound.
In don't give anything, in everything for the bad. Rough cut, not just one time, but every time. I Mr. the Big Bad Ruff Cut. Yo Ruff, yo Barry, and Ruly OJ. Yeah man, are the murderers in the dancehall, no bag of chatting, run that fast now. Chop. Ruff Cut, they my murderer. Then we know it. Something's wrong. Ruff Cut can't tell. Is it that funky sound? Come along, trying to break the spell. There's no doubt your sound will get killed. Emptiness in your dubs, we find it hard to take. If you're having second thoughts, if you think you should let go, after all you've been through, you should be the first to go. Sweetest insecurity, rough cut, not afraid of nobody. You've got to know sound what rough cut will kill you. Do you still wanna clash with me? Rough cut murder sound for free and make them all fade away. Cause the dubs we play are here to stay. Do you still?
Yeah, I always say rough cut. It's strange, strange. How some sound keep trying, but it's only rough cut sound. Follow murder them jump and sound. So rough cut me why if you murder them sound. Rough cut me why if you kill them sound. Kill them sound, kill them sound. Then you run them out of town. Hey rough cut, you are the champion sound. Strange, strange. All them sound keep trying, but it's only rough cut sound that the people want plenty of.
Lord of mercy, Jesus Christ, why rough cut get nice? Hey, rough cut it, the boom baba.
Attack. So I go there. Rough cut off them head. From the dance and rain.
Ruff Cut make a sudden attack. Some boy can't react. Then I'm the dove to try counter rock. Ruff Cut they make a sudden attack. Some boy can't react. And I idiot some boy gone in a box. When Ruff Cut make a sudden attack, some boy can't react. Then I'm the dove to try counter rock. Ruff Cut make a sudden attack. Some boy can't react. Say that some boy say that Dubcut, Lord. Yes, them own Papa Ruffy and a Father G want to abuse Barry physically and disrespect Ruff Cut sound verbally. But Ruff Cut them rule the vicinity, coming up the dancehall and party. Send some boy to the cemetery. No sound now can taste myself. Come Ruff Cut and cut them down. Oh no Ruff Cut sound. So them say are you wear the crowd? Cause when you make a sudden attack,
Gun sound, Ruff Cut sound. Gun sound, Ruff Cut sound.
Why when you hear hey, a Ruff Cut sound and a big sound feel it out here, see? We a big up Ruffy, Barry, think me not see who goes and toes. Only Ruff Cut sound now. Sound boy them dead inna, tin pan sound them dead inna. Sound corruption is very prevalent. Why sound corruption is only Ruff Cut I recommend. Sound corruption, tell me when it will really end. Sound corruption is only Ruff Cut I recommend. Every day you hear someone dying. Ruff Cut is doing the killing. Tin Pan sound can hear this crowd. My sound is the champion sound. Ruff Cut is gonna mash them down. Tin Pan sound if you run out of town. Kill them all and come back alone. Sound corruption is very prevalent. Why sound corruption is only Ruff Cut I recommend. Sound corruption.
Ruff Cut a big bad sound. Yes. Ruff Cut kill them. A murderation. When Ruff Cut up in a the dance, kill them. Select a boy in a misery. Ruff Cut done a little dibby sound.
A great sound called Ruff Cut.
You shouldn't test big sound. You play with fire, boy, and now your skin get burned. Boy, Ruff Cut a big bad sound. Killing dibby sound. Jump and sound, boy.
Ruff Cut. I want to them,
you know
boy.
that? Ruff Cut kill you. A murderation. When Ruff Cut up in a the dance. Select a boy in a misery.
Done with them, done with them, done with them. 5 and 4, 9, I miss a 1, make 10. Done with them. Ruff Cut, I tell them.
Mischievous sound boy. Man of a trace like woman. Mischievous sound boy. Get me out of your plan, I said again. Mischievous sound boy.
Done with them, done with them, done with them. 5 and 4, 9, I miss a 1, make 10. Done with them. Ruff Cut, I tell them.
Mischievous sound boy. Man of a trace like woman. Mischievous sound boy. Get me out of your plan, I said again. Mischievous sound boy. Man of a trace like woman. Mischievous sound boy. Run along, yeah. You keep on talking about you wanna kill my sound, but you are fool and you are clown. Listen, Ruff Cut won't give in to allow you to do your thing. I have better things to do, so pull on through, yeah. Mischievous sound boy. Man, nothing move like woman.
Wait, wonder.
What is
He's in the prize, man. Say Ruff Cut a go murder them brawling. Ruff Cut a go gun them down. If a jump and sound ever violate, tonight them a end up under the ground. Ruff Cut come fi murder them brawling. Ruff Cut a go watch them drown. If a sound boy ever disrespect, tonight them a end up under the ground. From them draw we out. Sound boy I get killed.
That's right.
Fi murder any jumping sound boy. Ruff Cut them is willing. Some who never heard. A copper will make them feel. From them buck up in a Ruff Cut sound boy. Sound boy you a go dead for real. Copper shall be giving them brawling. Ruff Cut a go gun them down.
I see you say.
Ruff Cut a murder them down.
Hold your man ground where you want that.
Kill them surely, surely, surely.
Kill them surely. Yes, we kill them surely.
Kill them surely, surely, surely.
Chat them a chat. None of them boy they don't know
Kill
it.
them surely, surely, surely.
Ruff Cut
Ruff Cut
sound.
murder them surely, surely, surely.
Ruff Cut sound.
Listen now.
Sound boy, what you gonna do? Dead for your buck up in a Ruff Cut crew. What a babalo, me say what you gonna do? Hell on for the house, how them a go get through? And me say, get it together. Sound boy, we won't kill you in any weather. Just like a bird, we go pick out your feather. And you can't know where we hide for we treasure. Cause we so clever, me say Ruff Cut sound. Kill them uptown and we dust them downtown. Tell them so Ruff Cut a champion sound. And we not have no time for waste with clown. Hey, what you gonna do? Sound boy, then we kill them and him own crew. Tough stuff too, me say what you gonna do? Sound boy, then we go see man him own crew. We no want that.
Taurus Ride and Pinchers, you know? Hey, that one is exclusive for Ruff Cut. I know freestyle, it well tough. And I know nobody can play this, but hey, you hear me now? Well, I hear the voice of the people say. How hear them say? How this them say? How hear them say? Ruff Cut at the baddest sound, baddest sound, toughest sound. Ruff Cut at the baddest sound. I wouldn't wanna say Pinchers.
Ruff Cut and bag no careless now. Ruff Cut and bag no careless. Oh no no no, and bag no careless now. Ruff Cut and bag no careless. Oh no no no, hey. Ruff Cut in a sound boy tassel. We never yet a think about the cover. Ruff Cut move to the kill at the wind. Ruff Cut push out your nozzle. Why you go yo and chip off them ears like a chaser. And blow gunshot and make it whistle. Anything come Ruff Cut sound come forbid them to frazzle. Hey, Ruff Cut take back no careless no.
Oh no.
Ruff Cut take back no careless.
No.
But I was trying.
So 1 and 2 and 3, we murder them. 4, 5, 6, we bury them. And 7, 8, 9, we don't beg friend. Hey, Ruff Cut killing them again. 1 and 2 and
I want to them Taurus.
them dead in the Pinchers, watch them can't go to talk, we them Ruff Cut, we have a rough stuff.
I'm making us a Ruff Cut sound built for killing purpose indefinite, global if not galactic.
The whole center don't know, stay so OJ, watch the spinners, watch the graphics, the whole family, we don't have the killing tactics, watch now.
Read my Pinchers, my name.
Oh gosh, when I sing Taurus right alongside Pinchers, that one exclusive.
Contracted killer.
Yeah man, we kill and keep it fair, watch the murder them.
Contracted killer.
Oh gosh man, yeah hear me now, that one your name again. Contracted killer.
Ruff Cut contracted killer.
We murder them.
Yeah.
Contracted killer, yeah.
Hey, them have we up cause Ruff Cut kill their sound. Contracted killer, we no care who first sound. The 45 a dead boy pound compound. Don't be stupid, we have been contacted. Once say we wicked, Ruff Cut been contacted. I coulda me never kill it, got to feed my family. No care no pity, Ruff Cut no care no sympathy.
Contracted killer, hey, contracted killer.
Oh yeah.
Contracted killer, right? Contracted
killer.
Yeah, you mean a Ruff Cut, it name her. Kill and collect with us, smoke and forget and if son boy with disrespect her. You know him dead again me. Kill and collect and then me, smoke and forget and if so.
Them for know say Ruff Cut, I'm out of them first. Me I say Ruff, me I say about you know say Central say bet. Or the big singer for started. The big singer. Wait a minute. Easy price man. Come on. Yes. Fully automatic man. Your problem in a surprise.
Hey.
Got you man.
Murdering sound.
A murderation.
Ruff Cut and murder them sound boy. Jumping sound boy, you skull up.
Ruff Cut play the Dubplates much better. Some boy tonight, them dead for sure. Son boy been acting strange. Cop a shot fly to them brain. From your violent Ruff Cut, your brain gon' fly. We not gonna take no chance. We have the trip glass. But son boy, tonight you're gonna die.
A rough sound.
Listen, Ruff Cut a murder them sound boy.
They're on the keys again. Oh my, run go tell your friend. Hear me now. Come and say 1, 2, 3, Ruff Cut come again. A sound start to this, so we shut off with them ends. Ruffy play a dub and kill the whole of them. This is the story of our life, yes. Cause we not dark out, we not mix with the heathen. To know some boy, we not go bone, we not go bend. So all the some boys who refuse the warning, Ruff Cut I send a warning. We lock them off, they can't test we. Cause we are, and will always be, a sound that's born to shut down every wicked out sound boy. Oh my, lock them up, they can't test we. Cause we are, and will always be, a sound that's born to shut down.
Yes, we are the greatest sound. Ruff Cut sound, not the sound everybody need. We come to kill them sound indeed. Right here now we are gonna mash up some sound. Oh Lord, Ruff Cut sound, not the baddest everybody know. Richard Stevens tell you so. I've got to let you know. Ruff Cut sound got danger in his eyes. Comfy cramp and paralyzed. Then the sound that try to cross the line. Ooh, we give them a big surprise. We make them realize that if them test Ruff Cut, them can't survive. Oh no, you can run but you'll never get away. Any dubs that you play, Ruff Cut sound can get straight back.
I kill some sound and bury them in the mall. Let them know Ruff Cut a king of dancehall. Kings of sound, not tell down a son boy. Conquering son of the rule. We ain't no lamb to no slaughter when Ruff Cut a pass. Can crucify Ruff Cut, nail them up on the cross. And get so wicked and vile. They cult of the lost. Fighting for survival is a terrible task. Me love Ruff Cut. To them in the road, who use it to place and please the whole multitude. They made it blind man a see and the dumb man a talk. Ruff Cut a play dance scope, because I love, promote the love, yeah. Kings of sound and bury them in the mall. Ruff Cut champion of dancehall. Kings of sound, not tell down a son boy. Conquering son of the rule. No son come at top, but them run things from earth. There's a heavenly father we ever talking about. Who give it
all the splice don't place them that
them now run away now.
Search the Ruff Cut and get
them can't run away. Ruff Cut I tell them self you run away. Say that them a run the place and I done the place, but them out the place, yeah. Them can't come run the place, or them fi done replace. Ruff Cut govern the place, yeah. Say that them a run the place and I done the place, but them out the place, yeah. Them can't come run the place, or them fi done the place. Ruff Cut govern the place, alright. So them a run the place, I know me tell them fi run way. What kind of dub that we go hear them a play there? What kind of song that we go hear them a sing there? What kind of column we go catch them a write there? This Ruff Cut I know them lose them life there. All of them sound and them 2-4 swipe way. Get we find out say them a move too bright yeah. This Ruff Cut I know a fire we light there. Say that them a run the place and I done the place.
We are
them
kill
out the
them.
place yeah.
Ruff Cut I go kill them. Son of mercy. Hey, come on, give them some, cut, give them some. Give them some, cut, give them some. We not work like no Wally bun. When Ruff Cut play a different song. Hear them style from the Ruff Cut sound. Anywhere we go, we no go like no clown. No. Do them something, cut, do them some. Create trouble, cut, create trouble. Shame them, we a go done them. Control them, Ruff Cut I go mad them. How do I say goodbye?
You're not feeling nothing at all.
Rough sound, a rough sound.
Mix up, sound boy. Me hear them say, for you nothing I want. I miss a mix up, sound boy. Ruff Cut done, get the hour. You carry in news on everyone. How long can this go on? You don't have no music, but you are Costco. But Ruff Cut will make you bite it up. It's a mix up, sound boy. Ruff Cut no free, and nothing
Black River, General Dancehall, sound Rough. Ladies, you're on the move, you're on the right track. You tune the Ruff Cut, I say you can't turn back. Oh yes, you're on the move, you're on the right track. You tune the Ruff Cut, I say you can't turn back. Up on the solid rock, Ruff Cut stand. On all the zinc plans in sinking sand. I saw the woman with the 7 seals. Ruffy took a dub and part the sea. Across the sea, I'm on the land. Ruffy had the Dubplates in his hand. The good selections, we have the good selections. The rubber dub selections, the 45 selections. No looking back, no turning back. You're moving on the right again, you can't look back. Oh yes, no looking back, no turning back. We're moving on the right.
There were nights when the clash gets so cold, when somebody dropping round and down all around the dancehall. Yes. And there were days when the sun was so cruel. All sound teased them to dust when Ruff Cut pulling sang that sound boy don't have now. Kill them, Ruff Cut, alright then. Deep in his play, it every time Ruff Cut shoot down, and they can't remember when or when or how. And Ruff Cut banish every man with me, and Ruff Cut ever play sound boy. When Ruff Cut kills you like this, and we murder you like that, you just got to believe Ruff Cut bad and you sound. When Ruff Cut killed you like this, whoa, we murder you like that, and you just got to.
Ruff Cut tell them, from you see me, you know say you, no fi try not to sell it. Bust head for Ruff Cut and then bust head for me, but we all about stacking money for the belly. From you see me, you know say me never drop yard, and me never left that. Ruff Cut them have me head back. We come to kick out the money do up, and when we get that, we not bumbo clap rock back. Girl love me, thugs rate me, bad mind don't say them a road still a hate me. Some a chat tough, I try bait me. Ruff Cut tell them can't intimidate we a make history
with Ruffy, Barry and Steven. The government know them since you made them understand this. Sound boy go on and them rough and hype. Ruff Cut pop off them stripe. Sound know your size. Sound boy know your size. If you ever challenge Ruff Cut tonight, you surely gonna die. Sound boy know your size. God is a stitchy and a splice. As if you ever challenge Ruff Cut tonight, you surely gonna die. Why? How we fly up in your head? Come challenge Ruff Cut. Well, I then you wanted. Fool, you bite up more than what you can chew. And Ruffy I go beat them till them black and blue. See ya, what a trouble them put themselves in a barren or ram fi catch a little zone of fire. Them say when plant no wanted. At that time me shoot. Hey Stephen, kick them with your whole water boot. Sound I know your size. Sound boy know your size. As if you ever. Now this one is coming from Ruff Cut sound with Ruffy, Barry and Steven. The governor lieutenant since you made them understand this. Sound boy go on like them rough and hype. Ruff Cut pop off them stripe. Sound know your size. Sound boy know your size. If you ever challenge Ruff Cut tonight, you surely gonna die. Sound I know your size. God is a stitchy and a splice. As if you ever challenge Ruff Cut tonight, you surely gonna die. Why? How we fly up in a your head, controlling rough cut. Well, I dead you wanted, fool. You buy that more than what you can chew. And Ruffy I go beat them till them black and blue. See ya, what a trouble them put themselves in a barren or ram fi catch a little zone of fire. Themselves when black wanted. At that time me shoot, hey Stephen, kick them with your whole water boot. Someone know your size, someone know your size.
I make we tell you them a con. Select a move and that's always a con. Rough cut we throw it up and down and we no afraid of no sound. And any sound test we a go dead and bury. Oh yeah, selector, it did you whoa. Rough cut down into voodoo. So last year I know rough cut I go through the con. Outlaw towards the wheel we a go through the con. Lord, me say me falling down me yard and me a big clean crush can. While up me porridge with it a mini can. Me young baby we just born. Say them want to follow rough cut in at the land. Select them over there so I informer and them call him con. You step on me claps, mind you hurt up me can. Who no beg no get no metal, me say who no bet no want. You know say told you when they on the microphone I can't this a true me con. Rough cut sound come through the con. Lord, cause if we fire gunshot then we call him con. Selector is informer and them call him con. You step on me claps, mind you hurt up me con. Remember this is rough cut we in at the land. We shoot sound and left and then we shoot them up right. Some little post like we just born last night. Can't tear up the rough cut strike. Rough cut I go through the con. I know them it up we a go put the con. Rough cut we tell them we back.
Good sound, rough cut sound. Good sound.
The great song called Rough Cut, you know.
Wagwan ENT.